Hi guys and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to share you the tutorial that how you can private your Instagram account. Before further in delay, let's go to do it. First of all, open your Instagram account. After opening it, go to profile option. Here come to this three dot option. After coming here, go to setting and privacy option. Here go to down. Here you find that account privacy option. Click on it. Here you can see this option that private account. So click on it. Here it's asking that switch to private, so switch to private. Here it's done. Now your account is private. So if you found this video helpful for yourself, then must subscribe my channel and like the video.